Welcome to the world of Harley-Davidson's most groundbreaking creation, the V-Rod. Designed to challenge the norms and push the boundaries of what a cruiser can be, the Harley-Davidson V-Rod brought innovation and power to the forefront of the brand. In today's video, we'll dive into the history, engineering marvels, and lasting impact of this iconic motorcycle. History and background. The Harley-Davidson V-Rod was born out of necessity in the early 2000s. Harley aimed to attract a new audience, riders who demanded power, speed, and aggressive styling. Inspired by drag racing motorcycles and the V-Rod 1000 superbike, Harley teamed up with Porsche to develop a liquid-cooled engine capable of high performance. In 2001, the V-Rod was unveiled as part of the V-Rod C V2 Racing Street Custom lineup, breaking Harley's traditional mold. It was an instant eye-catcher with its sleek, futuristic design and unmatched performance. Design. The V-Rod's design was unlike anything Harley-Davidson had ever produced. From the stretched-out frame to the brushed aluminum bodywork, it exuded modernity and aggression. The distinctive teardrop fuel tank, actually located under the seat for better weight distribution, gave it a low-slung, muscular profile. The design was as much about function and form. The drag-style handlebars and forward foot controls offered a stretched riding position, emphasizing its street racing DNA. Every detail, from the massive rear tire to the dual exhaust pipes, screamed power and precision. The heart of the beast. At the core of the V-Rod was the Revolution engine, a 1130cc liquid-cooled DOHC 60-degree V-twin powerhouse. Developed in collaboration with Porsche, this engine produced an impressive 115 horsepower, a significant leap from traditional Harley engines. Liquid cooling allowed the V-Rod to maintain peak performance even under heavy load, and the DOHC setup enabled higher revving capabilities, with a red line at 9,000 RPM, unheard of for Harley-Davidson at the time. It was built to thrill, delivering both speed and torque that rivaled sportier competitors. Performance. The V-Rod wasn't just about looks, it was built to perform. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, putting many sport bikes to shame. The 5-speed transmission and belt drive provided smooth and reliable power delivery, making it a joy to ride on highways and city streets alike. Its handling was equally impressive. The low center of gravity, paired with premium suspension components, allowed for stable cornering and precise control. While some traditionalists criticized the riding position, it was undeniably optimized for speed and aggression. Models and variants. Over its production run, Harley-Davidson introduced several variants of the V-Rod, each catering to different rider preferences. The original, featuring a sleek design and 115 horsepower, VRSCD Night Rod, a darker, more aggressive take with blacked-out components, VRSCX Screamin' Eagle, a performance Fakin variant with a 1250cc engine producing 125 horsepower, VRSCD Night Rod Special, a fan favorite featuring a stretched wheelbase, a more aggressive stance, and premium finishes. Each model brought subtle improvements while maintaining the essence of what made the V-Rod unique. Challenges and controversies. The V-Rod wasn't without its controversies. Traditional Harley-Davidson enthusiasts were initially resistant to its radical departure from the brand's cruiser heritage. Critics claimed it lacked the signature potato sound of Harley's iconic air-cooled engines. However, it found a devoted following among riders who valued performance and innovation over tradition. Another challenge was its limited touring capability. With a small fuel tank and less emphasis on comfort, the V-Rod was best suited for shorter adrenaline-fueled rides. Cultural impact and fan base. Despite its polarizing reception, the V-Rod gained a cult following. It attracted a new generation of Harley riders who appreciated its blend of power and style. Its appearances in movies and TV shows cemented its status as a symbol of modern muscle on two wheels. The V-Rod also paved the way for Harley-Davidson to experiment with new technologies and expand its appeal to global markets. It remains a favorite among custom bike builders, with countless modified versions seen at bike shows worldwide. Why was it discontinued? In 2017, Harley-Davidson announced the end of the V-Rod's production, citing shifting market demands and the need to focus on other segments. The discontinuation marked the end of an era, but it also solidified the V-Rod's status as a modern classic. Legacy. The Harley-Davidson V-Rod may no longer be in production, but its influence is undeniable. It pushed the boundaries of what Harley could achieve, proving that the brand could innovate without losing its soul. The Revolution engine laid the groundwork for future developments, including the Harley-Davidson Pan America adventure bike. Conclusion: the Harley-Davidson V-Rod was more than just a motorcycle. It was a statement. Bold, fast, and unapologetically different, it redefined what a cruiser could be. Whether you're a fan of its groundbreaking design or its incredible performance, there's no denying the impact it had on the motorcycle world.